Right, I know I took one apart on a YouTube video of back to Georgia apart. This was off my Tulsa roller soap bar summit. It just cut out, and I always put like spare new bolts in it, fuse in it. I mean, no good. I ain't like taking that off and replacing a replace plug so tangled. Yeah, I would replace the plug, and you can tell, and that didn't work. And then I put a new adapter in, that did work, so it was that. But then that did end up breaking on me. So, and then it did work for a bit. And then I did at one point, I chucked it, broke, and then it's just no use to it again. So it's just simple. Pull that. So I'll take one of these apart, and this is how I deal with cutting cable up. A lot of people, I see people cutting it there. Yeah. And it's like, I always say to people, it's better off cutting it closer in. Because I say, alright, look, because if I cut that there, yeah, because like, it's just rubber, yeah, and that's what it is. And technically, I could cut that bit more, yeah, I could cut that just about there, yeah, and this is why sometimes, this is where it plug is. Yeah, and there you go. Just managed to get that one out. So I just got that in my cable because it's just copper wire there. But then technically, and that's what's inside the end bit. It's just copper wire in the middle, and then you got your plugs on end. So next time you get one of them, is just cut it right up to when it gets to the middle bit, just cut it. So cut it so far. Because technically it's just all copper, and yeah, it's just like these lot. Yeah, you're not to cut it there because it's just copper. Because I know it's like because it's more rubber on it, and that's the steel. And technically, you could technically cut it round about. I forget all that. Just on end bit up. Because when I took the one, it just keeps going around a lot. It'll come around about somewhere about just about there. So you don't have to worry too much. But it's like these. What it is just plastic. So yeah, but it's up to you if you want to go like this and go like that. But then if you want to get a little fire going one day on your backyard or somewhere, just shut one of them in. Because it's just, what it is how it is, it's just plastic and some what's just metal. And some of it is just copper wire through it. So, same as these, yeah. You don't have to cut it there. It's just wire. A lot of people, because that's brass, I see a lot of scrapyards, yeah, you can weigh them in. But the problem is, you won't weigh it in as a brass wire. They put that in as iron alley. Don't know why. So, and you gotta just cut it right up to the plug. Yeah. Straight up to the box. So yeah. There you go. There's your grandma cable. Then you might say, how can you open one of them up? You can do it with a screwdriver, you can do it with your cutters. Normally, I use a that one end in where the cable is. Yeah. But the cutters just online, because normally you can just put it in. And normally it works. Dive it in. Normally it uses just to pop everything. Right, let's go. Have it in a little bit on it. Yeah. So you can get in. So you have to rip part of the plastic off. Normally it uses this stuff off. And this one's gonna be a little bit of pain. See if I can go. So with this, it's gonna take me a little bit of time. Alright, so open banner. Come on. Yep. That got my sweat on a bit. Yeah. So this has got the Ali. Is it Ali? Yeah. But this one, they don't have that black cover on it. For some reason. This one's got a clear casing around it. Yep. If I do put a link in the description, you know what I'm on about, because this one's got clear casing and the one has a black one. But this one only has a small amount of yellow stickers on it. This one's slightly different. Yeah, because this one's like this one. Cut that off. I'll just Ali. Another piece of Ali with sticker on. I'll just take that off at some point. A bit. Just put that in off. Because that's all just copper on that. So that will go in my copper pot. That's my aluminium. Some people put them as irony. But I still get away with putting it in with aluminium. I'm going to keep saying that sometimes because some people don't know. So they're going to cut off this little bits of that off. Just cut these two bits of iron. Put that one off there. Put that little bit off there. And that's just a big this is a transformer. See that bit of wire come off? Yes, it has. What's that hold on to? I'm going to try and cut this in once. That was just kind of my basic steel. So, I'll just try and find the end bit. Yeah. Yes. You might say, there's a copper wire in this. Yeah. The copper wire is actually built inside the tape. So sometimes it's like a bit of a nightmare. So that means you have to keep unwinding. Because there's the end bit, just focus in. I need to when don't focus. But yeah. Now this is going to get me some time to try and get through this. If it'll let me. But yeah, I'll put that in my copper. So yeah, then I'll put that in with my copper. 2 bits of alley. Take a bit of steel. Bit of plastic e-waste. There's a playlist of my e-waste. This started in 2025. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.